Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are staying safe. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to make stir-fried noodles. This recipe is super easy. You can play around with this recipe and make it your own as much as you can by adding in your own unique ingredients. So let's get started. These stir-fried noodles, here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have here carrot, mixed pepper, the green, the yellow, the red. I also have here the instant noodles I'll be using. I have prawns as my source of protein, but you can also use other protein sources such as chicken, beef or turkey. Just cut them into small pieces. I also have here dry thyme, mixed dry herbs, and for my spices I'll be using Suya pepper and Cameroon pepper. The next step is to cut the onions and the vegetables into small pieces. For the veggies, that is the carrots and the mixed bell pepper, I like to cut them into thin strip shape. The next step is to add the noodles into a boiling pot of water and cook for about 2 minutes. Afterwards, using a sieve, drain all the water and set aside. To a preheated frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and allow it to heat up. When the oil is well heated, add the prawns or your chosen source of proteins. Next, add in all the vegetables and allow it to fry. As you know, this is a stir-fried noodles, so we're going to be doing a lot of frying and stirring, or stirring and frying, whichever one. Next, I'm adding a little bit of seasonings to the veggies and prawn just to add more flavors to them. I'm using Onga seasoning, but you can use whichever flavorful seasonings you have. At this stage, I'm just building up the flavors. I'm adding in all the ingredients and spices I showed you earlier to the stir fries. I'm adding mixed dry herbs, thyme, Suya pepper, Cameroon pepper, 1 sachet of instant noodles seasoning, giving everything a proper stir, and I'm just going to leave it to fry. The next step is to add the cooked noodles, and I'm also going to be adding in the 2nd sachet of the instant noodles seasoning. Giving everything a proper stir to combine. While stirring, I can see that my noodles seems a bit too dry, so I'm just going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of oil. After giving it a proper stir to combine, cover the frying pan and allow it to cook on a really low heat for about a minute or two. and then the noodles is ready. So here we have it, guys. The noodles is ready. You can see it's so pretty, like, oh my god, so pretty. I can't wait to devour. So I'm going to be having this with some plantain and egg and also a very cold orange juice. Can you imagine? So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.